What is the best crypto exchange for order flow trading and scalping? Let me show to you what exchange I personally use and few reasons behind that. In order to make money on the crypto market, we need powerful and trustful crypto exchange. Here's several reasons behind that. As you can see on the screen, I make from several hundred to more than 1,000 per one trade as a profit, and I can get it only because I get special data from exchange and I know how to trade and where to trade it. And you also need the stuff that will help you and guide you. For our success, exchange should have first, it is security, fees, regulation, data, and connection to proper services. Let's cover each of them and you will understand why you also need it. First, security, and why I show it is number one, because I receive a lot of messages from people on Instagram and as an offer on trading on YouTube. A lot of people write to me about their stories when they get scammed with the exchange bans their account, when exchange close their account and they cannot withdraw money. And honestly, that sucks because you even didn't trade but lost money, and you must avoid it. And good exchange cancel all of this stuff immediately. Second one, it is proper fees, because some exchange says that we have like low fees or we don't have any fees, but in reality it's a bullshit, because they put their fees, they hide it. They put it into a spread, they put it in different areas where you pay it, but you don't know about that. I like when people show to me how much I pay. The next one is regulation. Most of fraud I saw only from unregulated companies. That's why it's also important for us. Fourth, it is especially for those of you that will do scalping, it is a proper data. Let me show to you this trade where I made 927 USD of profit as net profit, and what helped me to get it. On this screen you can see it was a beautiful long trade on Dogecoin, and have a look how here I exactly pick a bottom and made 3.8%, which based on my volume was that amount of money. Only one reason, because I saw based on data big absorption. Like, it is about strategies. We don't dive into this stuff, but you also can get access to those data and understand where it could be bottom of a market, top of a market, where better to buy and sell. Without understanding this data, have a look, like it is a simple chart from TradingView, and compare this simple chart, how here you can say that it was a bottom. Honestly, just by looking at chart, it's impossible. But proper data, you would understand where big banks, hedge funds buy, and you would follow them. I think many of you would like to make good money per your trades, and that's why what you need to do at this moment. Below this video where you see there would be a link, open account by our link, and you will get first, full support with setting and connecting order flow platforms and statistics services. Second, our ready-made templates for trading on a platform. Number three, it is one-to-one support from my team. And number four, access to our community where we share signals, trading plans that will help you make money. Also, even if you have existing account, you still can become our partner. Below this video, read all information and write to us if you already have account. For those of you that would open account and would trade actively, you can get access to our order flow course, mentoring from our team, and for those of you that will trade on large amounts, you will make quite big volume per month, I can become your personal mentor. That's why do the action, all information below in video description. Give me additional 1-2 minutes and let me show you additionally why you need important powerful exchange. It is, as I told you about data, to get the data you need connection to proper tools, because you don't look this data from a sky. And let me show you those tools. First one, it is ATAS or CI chart. It is a special tool which shows to you important areas where people buy and sell a lot of coins. And you can see even here how this tool helped to understand where was the bottom of a market and where was a top of a market. You can see exactly here it was the top of a market. And by the way, it is what we will help you to connect it, and will give you templates about this platform. The next one, it is statistics services. If you want to build really successful career and start making money, guys, without statistic, I don't know what would you do. And bigger problem of many exchange, you cannot connect your account to exchange and understand what was your mistakes. Example for you, this trade that I took here, my position size was 100K, and here, as you can see, I lost 29 USD. But what was the reason? I did a mistake. I moved stop loss into break even, and in this case I would make maybe 700 to 800 if price would move into my favor. And only by reading my statistics service I can read and understand those mistakes. Same with you. With statistic, you improve what you do good and eliminate your mistakes, and your account start to grow. Once more, open account, all info will be in description. Even if you have account still, write to us. And at this moment, I prepared for you all tutorials about Bybit, how to use it, how to trade it, etc. That's why use all of these lessons, save them, and see you soon, my friend. Bye.